Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone, ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be explaining type inference in Rust and how it allows the compiler to figure out by itself what type variables have when they get their values assigned. Now, there are cases when the compiler cannot infer a values type through static analysis. In such cases, we as developers have to provide type annotations explicitly. The Rust compiler comes with a feature that we call type inference. What that means is that it's able to figure out the type of our values without us explicitly annotating things like variables. For example, here we see a variable condition with the value true of type boolean. We have a variable named some number with the value of 10 of type u32. There's another one which is a string slice reference, and we have an array of string slices. Now, all of these variables annotate explicitly their types, as you can see, like condition, bool, some number, u32, then string, and name. Now, I can go ahead and run this program using cargo build. I'll be using cargo build because we are not outputting something right now, so instead of using cargo run, cargo build is more apt in this scenario. Let's do that. So here you can see that we have successfully compiled this file. Over here you will notice a couple of things on top. Here we have not allowed dead code and not allowed unused variables. So there are warnings which comes in because I have certain previous code which is not being used right now. So it was kind of throwing warnings like unused methods are present in the file. So to disable that, I have included these two at the top of the file. Now coming back over here, if I go ahead and now remove these specific types that we have introduced with our variables and then try compiling, let's see what happens. So here I'll be saving this. So these are all the variables now with their values handy and their data types have been taken out. Now if I go ahead and do cargo build, you'll notice that it is able to successfully compile. Over here, if you observe at line number 37, we are trying to convert the string number to a data type string. But if I take this out from here and we just have the number variable and we are trying to parse this thing, let's see what happens. Now over here, it is asking you to specify a type so that it can accordingly convert it to that. Either you specify like we were having string earlier, or you need to specify another type like u32 over here. So this time around, if I go ahead and build this, you'll notice that it is able to do that. So it's able to convert it to a number now. There's one more way, and that's known as using the turbofish syntax. So what it means is you take the data type from here and you keep everything as is. Then with the parse method, you specify 4 colons and then you specify the data type within arrays of brackets. So here I can go ahead and say u32 and then make use of the unwrap. So this is the turbofish syntax. So now we can go ahead and do a cargo build, and there we go. So this way you have to sometimes explicitly define the data type of the variable. Otherwise, in most of the scenarios, Rust is able to identify the data type using type inference as mentioned and explained in this one.